2nd of March, and Timmy and Bruce are on a adventure journey walking through Castle Rock, whatever that is. I'll let you know when I get to the top. And here's Mr. Show Off, all red and spunky, ready to go. Alright. We haven't taken 10 steps, and Bruce is saying, oh, I forgot the binoculars, so he's back in the ute, grabbing his stuff, and I guess I'll just have to wait till he's ready. Isn't this such an unusual looking tree? So I'll just capture it and share it with everyone. Another funny looking tree. It's pretty big. I don't know how tall it is. How tall do you think it is? Oh, it just goes on forever. And it's got all these funny knobs on it. There ain't going nobody. And there's a mushy growing out of it. Right. Yeah. Where's the mushy? There it is. Unusual. This is the track that we're following. I don't know where you're going. I'm getting hungry, so we'll see whether I make it for food. It's almost lunchtime. Okay, we reached our destination by the looks of it. Bruce is moving on, and that's, I believe, Castle Rock in front of me. See the path in the distance. Now we climb up the rocks, and we got a fantastic view from up here, as you can see. Isn't it pretty? And around us, all beautiful scenery. And that's the ledge where we sit down and have a lunch. Just gotta climb up. Now it's time to climb down. I think I prefer going up than down, but we'll see what happens. I'm up on another rock, and this is the view that I'm looking at in the distance. Isn't it pretty? Bruce and I just taking time out to unwind and connect with nature, and you can see right up there. Seems to think there's a better view up there, but gee, I'm not sure that I'm up to climbing again that high anyway. Let's see how it goes. Looks like I made it to that rock, and here's the view. By the way, this place is called Castle Rocks because all the rocks look a bit like a castle. Here's my husband. Always concerned about his jumping away. That's a valley.
Up to lunch at Castle Rock. On our way home, Kimmy stands beside the Castle Rock lookout sign. We had a lovely lunch.
We made it. We are back to our starting point, and we're going to the pub. Bye. I stopped at the pub, and from the distance I can see where we were. Castle Rock. Still on the adventure trail, and we found some kangaroos. Enjoying the afternoon sun, relaxing under the shade.